Hello, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today, I'd like to share the recipe for genuine Turkish bagel. It's crispy on the outside and cotton soft in the inside. It's a very famous street food in Turkey. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. So let's start. We take 1.5 cups of warm water into our kneading bowl. We are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of instant yeast and a teaspoon of sugar and mix them. Now at the first stage we add 2 cups of flour and a dessert spoon of salt. Let's start kneading our dough by adding our flour gradually. I added a total of 4 cups plus 1 full tablespoon of flour. You can see our dough that we kneaded well in the video. It should be soft, but it doesn't stick to the hand. Let's cover it and let it wait for about 1 hour in a warm environment. We have 1.5 cups of roasted sesame. Note that raw sesame is not okay. And we have a quarter of a teacup of molasses. Let's put it in a separate plate. And add a quarter of a cup of water on it. Let's mix it well. Our dough has been fermented. Let's mix it a little and put it on the counter with flour sprinkled. Let's divide it into 12 equal pieces and ball our dough. We do not need to wait at this stage. I'm taking the first dough, as you can see in the video. I'm forming a long strip. We just need to extend it to a bagel size. If necessary, you can sprinkle a small amount of flour on the counter. As you see in the video, let's put together one ends of 2 stripes and roll over each other. And now we are giving the ring shape. Let's connect the 2 ends together and make the bagel shape. We are gonna prepare and shape all our dough the same way. Now let's take each of our bagels we have shaped and dip it in the mixture of molasses. Then drain nicely and put it in the sesame. We are gonna cover it always. When we are giving the shape of our bagels, let's warm our oven with the tray in to 240 degrees upside down setting. Let's put the bagels in the hot tray that we have heated in the oven. We placed our bagels on the hot tray. Let's put them in the oven heated up to 240 degrees and cook it for only 15 minutes. Don't worry, they are nicely baked in 15 minutes. But you can cook in a controlled manner. I cooked them for 15 minutes. See, as you can see, both the top and the bottom would turn brown. It is very crispy. It's really beautiful both visually and as flavor. Indifferent from genuine Turkish street bagel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notifications by clicking the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video.